Thank you. G'day guys, it's one and only Matt McKenna here, back with another tutorial for my famous YouTube. About 30 subscribers, so yeah, big glad you met me. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to do the beep test. Pretty simple, as you can see. I've got a cone thing there, 2 metres up, another one there. Basically you just run up and down and beep will go each end. You got to try and get to your highest. Pretty proud of, got a 7 once I think. So I'm not bragging or anything, but yeah. So basically, special guest by the way. Met him the other night, Saturday night. Famous, the tomato sauce, and yeah, she's full. Yeah, just look at it. So yeah, the sauce has been a big part of my YouTube. It's coming in late, and thanks to Sam McDougall and Ainsley McDougall for supplying it from Woolworths. Feel free to get your own, won't be as good as mine. So I'm just going to put it here. So, each way I run up, whenever I run up here, I'll just have that for inspiration. You know, it's speechless. I'm speechless. It's just that amazing. So basically, lean this here. All right, there's your cone. Black helmet. As you just run up and down, listen to the beat, move your feet, and yeah, so